Hello guys, so today we're going to use this glass and this glass ball. It comes in clear, but I spray painted before in white. So I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue around it, and then I'm going to attach the glass ball right on top like that. Just hold it into place to attach. Then go ahead and spray paint it in white. Once you do that, we're going to take pieces of fluorofoam, this fluorofoam, so it could fit in it. Just cut it into pieces and then put some hot glue at the bottom part, and then just go ahead hold it down until it attach into place. And then we're going to take another piece and do the same process and then put it inside. After that, I'm gonna grab this cute little red little branch and I'm gonna place it right in the middle. And I'm gonna take these small little branches and place it right at the bottom part. To cut it, just cut it out like that, twist, and it should come out pretty simple and easy. And then just go ahead and place it inside. So you're gonna continue doing this until you do the whole thing all the way around it. Then they have this little beads. I'm gonna cut like a string of two pieces together like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it all the way through it, and then I'm gonna put some hot glue and place it right in the middle like that, and then just attach it all the way around it like that. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and attach it at the back as well. Then I'm gonna say do the same process. I'm gonna use at the bottom and also at the top. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out super cute, super simple that you guys can do at home. You can use it for home decorations, party decorations. It's up to you how you guys want to use it. I'm just giving you the idea. Now for the next DIY, we're gonna take the same base, but we're gonna do different bouquet of flowers and we're gonna do different little branches. I'm just giving you different ideas. So this is how it turns out. Super cute, super simple and easy that you guys can do at home. This is just with a flower and a little bit gold in it. And I also did it with little feather like this one. You can also place it like this one. This one I did it more like a home decor. You could display it with a little bunny or without a bunny. It's up to you how you guys wants to do it. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab one of these little birthday boxes like this. I used this black one before. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it in khaki. Then after that, I'm gonna place it down and I'm gonna grab some floral foam. So I'm gonna put floral foam. I'm gonna put some hot glue and make sure to add enough hot glue because this is what's gonna attach it into place. Then go ahead, grab your floral foam and place it inside. Hold it into place until you attach. Then I'm gonna grab this little branch and I'm gonna place it right in the middle like that. You could also use this little feather. I'm gonna place one on each side like that. Then I'm gonna grab this stick and place the flower inside, then cut it so it could be a smaller size, and then just go ahead and place it inside like that. And then you're just gonna continue attaching your flower all the way around it. Then they also have these cute little balls. I'm just gonna attach it with a stick as well, and I'm gonna place it right in the middle. I'm gonna place one on top of the other one. I'm gonna place this cute little star in there, and then I'm gonna get this old baby sign. If you're doing a baby shower, just go ahead and grab a little stick and put some hot glue and then attach the sign into it. You could do any sign that you guys do, like a thank you, whatever you guys are deciding to use the centerpiece for, and then just go ahead and place it in there. Also you could also do a happy birthday signs like I'm doing over here. You so or do a thank you, and this is how cute, you guys. It turns out super simple. This one is like with the branches sticking more up like that, or you could do it like you place it down. It will look like this one. This one is up to you how you guys want to use it. This is the old baby sign, and then this one is with a happy birthday sign. You decide which one you like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.